Hi, Jan here from Poppy's Creations. Excuse my appearance, I've just jumped out of the shower. I'm sitting here waiting for Sharon. We're having a craft day today. I said in another video that we will be making some Christmas decorations that we've seen on Reels on Facebook and Instagram. So as usual, who knows how it's going to go, but we'll enjoy it and we'll have a laugh. So stay tuned for that. But while I'm here waiting, I'm having a cup of tea and watching Stephanie in Chateau Diaries. And I will see you very soon. Right, what should we do first? Should we have a go at... What? I've lost... Oh, it's here. Can't see things straight in front of me. Have a go at the stars
yes.
first? Actually, to start with, maybe we should spray these first.
Yes.
Because otherwise we've got all these individual bits to spray, haven't we?
That's more difficult.
So let's get a bit of card.
You do that one. You could put the camera on yourself, or don't you want to move it?
No, I'm not going to move it now because it'll end up in the wrong place.
I want to finish off this. I always have a back as well when I'm spraying, but that could be just how I'm... I'll make a little
I didn't
guard.
yesterday, but it's not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Just don't want it all over you, do you? Okay. Right, this. I'm probably.
Oh, now I can't see what you're doing.
There's just no pleasing, is there?
I have to pee.
Right. Okay. Let's.
Oh, another lovely smell, Jan.
Yeah, I know. We do like the smell. We're going to get high.
Oh, what was it the other day? Duncan's aftershave.
No, he's.
No.
I've got more on the base.
Oh, look, it looks so pretty.
Yeah, the board looks prettier than the toilet roll.
Just cut the board up.
To do yours as well, madame?
Yes, please. Well, I'm doing yours.
So we can move the screen now that we've finished.
Ta-da! It's like a big reveal.
So they're just wet at the minute, aren't they? So
Yeah.
you can't tell what they're going to be like.
Back in the
So we wait for them
bolognese.
to dry before we do them. There's a reason why I got the card. Why did I get the card?
You could use that as well.
Yeah, but I can't think what it was for.
What else did we...
I think it was for rolling up, maybe for doing that.
Yeah. What did you
Oh, I
send
know,
me?
concertina folding, wasn't it? Let's have a go at that one.
Oh, is this for the foldy things?
Yeah. Let us begin. Now, only like even folds, haven't we? Where's my...
So what's this? Which one are we doing now?
This is the one where you make them like a fan, and then you glue each fan together and it makes a star.
Oh, yes. Right.
Let me see if I can find it on Kristen York's thingy.
And this is what they look like. This is from House and Garden, and that was last year. This gorgeous paper that
We haven't got
bought
flash
last year.
wallpaper, we've got
No.
plain.
Actually
We
used
just
as
plain
wrapping
white.
paper. So we need to decide.
I'll show you that last year.
Yeah, we need to decide which one we will be using.
Good reindeer.
Yeah, wants to start with this one. This is what we can use it for.
Nanny and Granddad.
Small
We hope you
Christmas.
enjoy. Lots. On Wednesday, we went to the zoo.
The first step is now
We saw giraffes and elephants and monkeys. Look at that nose you have there.
It's great, isn't it?
And you're wearing some kind of business suit.
Right.
and then
Lovely, that's me.
It's such a good likeness.
big.
Yeah.
Now let's see, we didn't even watch it after.
We'll have to...
What's this? I can't remember what the words are now. Probably a Christmas phrase that you're supposed to put inside.
I'm not hitting it hard enough.
No, it's squash and press, which is more of a press than a stamp. Yeah, it's a Christmas. It's a. I'll try this one, see how that goes. These are a bit fiddlier because they're I'll see that one too.
Oh, that's nice.
It's a ball.
It's a ball.
I'm getting some red ink coming out on the green.
So this is the paper
I suppose that's if you did it like that first, and then accordion.
So then you've got to cut the corners off of each one. I don't know if the
right.
scissors will go through. Let me try. This is all trial and error. Let's see how it goes.
Yours is
Oh, it's going.
wider than mine. Done mine
Oh, it doesn't
narrower.
matter, matter, does it? It's on the whatever fold you want in it.
Can I use these on the card?
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I just don't want to use...
Well, I think these are
Sorry.
fabric, but I've got 4 other pairs of fabric scissors. Thank you. So I'm not
Mine was
too
a bit
bothered.
thicker because I've done it
Because it's
narrower.
smaller. Yeah.
What
Right.
did you do? What Sharon and Jam folds and paper for hours and hours.
I mean, it one longer than the other. Oh, unless...
Have I done it the other way round?
No, you haven't. It's just for some reason it's come out uneven. That means one of mine's going to be too narrow. But I thought I did them all about right.
Oh, I just turned it round. I kind of turned it
Well, it
round.
doesn't matter because when you cut the point off, you
Yes.
just cut it a bit
yes.
lower. There's always a solution, Sharon.
Oh dear. Right.
Oh, look at the smudges. They're not dried as quick as they normally do. Look, smudge.
Let's get a point off first and then...
Let me just measure it against the other one and see.
Oh, actually, it is. I think it's just when you do the point.
Of course, yes.
Thickos.
Oh, honestly, sometimes we're a bit dim, aren't we?
That's the point. Oh, look, it's slightly longer before you cut it. Idiots. Oh dear, I can't believe that. I bet people are going to be leave that in and they'll be shouting
Yeah.
at the screen. They'll be going, it's just because you haven't cut it yet.
Right, here goes me and the glue gun.
Sorry, I've got distracted by looking at weather apps now.
Put the phone down,
Put
Sharon.
the phone
Put the phone down.
Yeah, because this paper's quite thick.
Not as
Not
thick
as
as
thick as
ours.
ours.
Yeah, very good quality. Yeah. Just take it like that.
It's interesting that she gave all the instructions and then he's had to put them
And then
together.
Yeah.
bless
the
him.
twine. Yeah.
Oh, they're doing it with string. So the one I saw was gluing it.
Oh, well, perhaps we can do one of each then.
Yeah, try and see which one works best. Oh, and then again, is she doing that just until...
And you're not measuring it, or so you're just...
He might be doing that just
You
till
just
he's...
hold it.
Yeah, just while he's
think
doing that. I don't know
Yeah.
why though, why you'd bother.
It's just...
Through there, look, see?
Yeah,
It's effective, isn't it?
it is effective.
And
Sorry, isn't
you
it?
have made his very
In it?
first paper star, and I think it looks absolutely
Actually, the string
beautiful.
looks quite... It does
The
close
paper
that centre up.
wonderful.
But he's only used 2 again, isn't he? I've used 3. Right,
Oh,
well,
she's
we're obviously
doing a big one
we're
now.
making it up as we go along, obviously.
That looks nice with
Mm.
the paper she's used there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sharon's got a new cat, and he's a little what's it, putting it politely.
He's a monster.
Hmm.
Ow. It's crap. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to tie the string around the middle?
I'm
Does it
just
help?
wondering, actually, whether that would... I've already glued it now.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
this is my trial one, Sharon.
Yes,
obviously.
everyone needs a trial one.
Obviously, I haven't taken any note of any instruction, or most.
You're winging it as usual.
So I do like to learn by my mistakes. Yes, it needs it there. Look, let's see, now we know why he did that.
Yes.
I thought it's all going to be glue, but we need string, but that is why. You know, if Jan does, she was told, she wouldn't have needed to do that.
But Jan's very good at learning from her mistakes, so we don't have to.
There, see? Still looks pretty.
pretty.
Still good.
But I did have
Right,
quite a
one
dunk
done.
half.
Not great, but I've learnt from that
Okay.
one.
Do you want to try one of my littler ones then?
What, are you not going to then, or are you going to? You mean you're going to do it? I think you should.
I'll try me just a little.
You've cut your ends, haven't you? Yeah.
I've cut my ends. So really, is
That's it.
cool. No. Oh.
This is why I want one with a stand.
Yeah, I've got.
I said that on my
has got a
video
stand.
actually. I want one with a. Yours has got a stand.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So yours is a bit flasher. With stand being crushed a bit better than paper, but
Yes. Got a green one of those somewhere as well.
what the rope.
Yeah, but I could only.
I'm wondering if we could. I'm just thinking as you were doing that, you could hang them at different heights,
Yes.
couldn't you?
Chandelier effect.
Yeah, I don't know what you'd hang them off though. Probably.
Ceiling.
No, I know that, but you need ideally don't hang them in mid-air. Just thinking you could have a twig of some
Oh,
of
yes,
some sort,
yes.
and have different length strings, and then hang them at different heights. I think that would look quite good.
We could.
Even I'm learning what my tools do. I thought this was for when you put poppers on.
Yes.
Ages I've been trying to work out what I can make holes with, and there we go. It might not work on softer paper, but it's definitely worked well on card. Have I got to do that then?
Still having trouble.
So,
Unravel.
that was the star video. Watch the next exciting episode when we do the toilet rolls. Doesn't sound very Christmassy, does it? To stars, but see, look how pretty that looks.
I'm coming unglued a bit.